the ground near Emporia. This is a particularly dangerous situation. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for central Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, extreme southwest Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, extreme northwest Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, until 6:20 p.m. At 5:55 p.m., a confirmed tornado, part of a violent tornado-creating storm system, was located 3 miles south of Emporia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar indicated strong rotation and weather spotter confirmed tornado. This tornado is a part of a storm system moving throughout the state that has caused major damage to infrastructure. Impacts. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Emporia at 5:57 p.m., Henry at 6:14 p.m., and Mayo at 6:23 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornado include Greensville County High School, Golden Leaf Commons, Jerusalem Baptist Church, Camp Rudolph, and Mayo Seventh-day Adventist Church. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.